Hey business owners, this is Marvelyn Brown with Making It Remotely, and today we're going to talk about print on demand. So we're going to also talk about a company called Printify. Printify is a very popular platform that you can use to start a print on demand business. So we're going to go through this fairly quickly. I'm going to help you get signed up, and then I'm going to show you how print on demand works. So if you're someone who's been thinking about print on demand, or you're curious, you want to know how it works, this is definitely the video for you. Now there's also a link below this video that you can use to follow along with us. You can actually get signed up, and it's a totally free process. As you can see right here, it says it's 100% free to use. And that's what makes print on demand so popular as well. You can get started with a very low investment, and you can start making money and putting more money in your pocket. Once you get the hang of this, then you can also expand and start putting your images and, grow your business into different niches. You can start using print on demand with different products and just really grow your business in that way. So let's get started. We will help you get signed up. You'll see how easy it is. And then I'll show you exactly how print on demand works. We'll look at some of the products that you have to choose from. And then if time allows, I'm also going to show you some of the platforms that Printify integrates with. Okay, so now let's get you signed up. All you do is click on that green button in the top right corner. You can use your Google account. Now, if you have a Google account, that means you can use your Gmail account to sign up and start earning with Printify. You can also use any other email that you might want to use. So if you have another email account besides Gmail and you want to use that, you just enter it here, and then you enter your password. So you think of a password that is going to be secure, but also something easy to remember. And then once you do that, then you click on the I'm not a robot button here. You just, click on that and the check mark will appear. And then you click on sign up. And that's pretty much it. So then once you click on sign up, then you're going to be able to look at some of the products that we're going to talk about here in a second. So now I'm going to take you back and we are going to look at how Printify works. So this is basically how Printify works. All you need to do is scroll down and you just use this top menu and then go to how Printify works and just scroll down, and this kind of gives you the general process. So the thing that you would do is you would select from over 800, and I think it's over 900 products now, but they have a wide range of products that you can choose from, and you just choose from, a blank product. And so this is how, if I were starting all over again with print on demand, the thing that I would do is I would choose my niche. I would, select a niche, learn as much as I could about that niche, or select a niche that I'm really familiar with. And that's really one of the best ways to get started with a print on demand business. Something that you are maybe already involved in, maybe something related to a hobby that you have, or something that you know something about, whether you learned on a job or maybe you learned, just by, life experience, but something that you enjoy and something that you're familiar with. And then when you select that niche, then you start thinking about the kinds of people who are in that niche. And you want to pick products that you think people in your selected niche are going to want to use. The kinds of products that will make their lives better or easier or, benefit them in some way, right? So then once you've chosen your products, then you want to start designing. And you may already have designs that you might want to use on various products. So if you have designs, and you can just, start designing these products and getting your designs on the actual products, and then creating, listings for your shop. If you don't have any products, or I'm sorry, if you don't have any designs, you can always purchase design. So if you have absolutely no design skills and you don't have a lot of time, you can go out, and we actually show you how to go out to various platforms and purchase designs that you can use. All you do is you purchase the design, and then with that purchase you get a license that will enable you to use that design that someone else created. So that person, sells their product on a platform and gives you permission to use their design. You can take those designs and put them on your products. Now, once you do that, you are going to be uploading those files into the Printify system. Once you have uploaded the file into the Printify system, then Printify has what they call a mock-up generator. And that mock-up generator is going to show you what that image is going to look like on your product. And you kind of work with the image and you make your mock-up and you get it looking the way you want it to look. And then, once you have your image the way that you want it, then you're ready to publish it, right? And you're going to publish it into your shop. So if you have a shop like an Etsy shop or a Shopify store, maybe you're selling on eBay, maybe you have your own platform that you're selling on. No matter what your platform is, you want to make sure that you have a platform that integrates with Printify. And so once you have that platform connected to Printify, when you hit that publish button, Printify is going to send that product to your store. It's going to upload it to your store, and it's going to be available for people to buy. And then you basically make sure that when you price that product, that you price it in a way that enables you to earn money. So, and we talk about, we have a newsletter that we put out every week where we talk about different subjects related to print on demand and things that you can do to make your products more valuable to your ideal customers. The more valuable you make your products to your ideal customers, the more they are going to be willing to buy those products. So if you just kind of slap an image on a product and you haven't done your research, you don't really know what the value is for your ideal customer, then you may sell it and you may not. It may just kind of fall flat. And so it's really important for you to know how to do research. It's also important for you to know those things that you can do to add value to your products. Value that really helps to build up the amount that you can actually sell those products and services for. So once you kind of factored all that in and you have hit publish, then you're just going to promote those products to your ideal customers. And when they buy those products, the orders will automatically go to Printify. And that's where that integration comes in as well. So the integration helps you when you upload your products to your shop, and then it also helps when someone makes a purchase. That is what makes your Printify system or your print on demand system more automated, so that you don't have to be there to send someone the product to ship it out. You don't have to worry about collecting the money. The system is going to collect the money. You're going to be able to have your product shipped to your ideal customers no matter where they're at, because you can sell on Printify to a global audience. So that is basically how Printify works. And then if you're interested in knowing more about how print on demand works, this is the page that you want to look at. So here is a short video that you can watch, and then if you want to just kind of read about print on demand, here is the area that really gives you a lot more information on how it works. But just to kind of sum it up, print on demand is a fulfillment process that drop ships products to customers only after a sale goes through. So what that means is you don't have to worry about maintaining a house full or a garage full of products, and then sitting back waiting on your customers to buy. Your customer buys, and then that product is made to order based on that particular customer. So you can, just sell one product at a time. And what used to happen back in the day, when you went to a print shop, a lot of times they would want you to order a minimum of, a certain number, like 12 shirts or 12 hats or, something like that before you can actually place an order. Well, with print on demand, you can order one, you can order 20, it doesn't matter. And that's the great thing about this process, is that as your customers place their orders, they are fulfilled on an individual basis, whether someone ordered one product or they ordered many. So only after the sale goes through, the payment has been processed, is the order actually sent to production. So I think that's really a great way to earn money, because you don't have to worry about minimums. You don't have to worry about order minimums. So the merchandise is never going to require management, storage, or protection, because Printify keeps all of those products in their warehouse, and they maintain them until your customer places an order, and then they ship them out. So that is, in a nutshell, how print on demand works. So now we're going to go over and we're going to take a look at the Printify catalog. So let's do that really quickly. So here are some of the different types of products that you can sell in your shop using this Printify process. T-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, phone cases, tank tops, wall decorations, and more. Okay, and then last but not least, and this is kind of a high level look. So I will put a button below this video that will take you over to the page where you can sign up for your account. And then when you sign up for your account, you are going to be able to look at the catalog. And I'm just going to quickly show you all the different types of products that you are going to have access to. So you can look at, for example, spring essentials. You can look at the best sellers. You can look at new arrivals, eco-friendly products, all over printing clothing. So if you have a design and you want it to be printed all over your clothing items, you can do that. If you want products that were made in the US, or assembled in the US rather, you can do that. And there's some other things. If you're on TikTok, they have, stuff for you. And so there are a lot of different things that you can look at here. But this really tells you the story on all the different types of products that you can put your designs on. And so you really have a lot to choose from. So now let me get you over and we're going to show you some of the integrations. So here's some of the platforms that Printify integrates with: Etsy, Walmart, eBay, TikTok, Shopify, and there are more that are listed right here. So WooCommerce, Squarespace, Wix, TikTok Shop, PrestaShop, BigCommerce. They have a Printify API. If you have a developer, you can, have them to integrate your platform with Printify using the API. But a lot of different choices that you have for selling your products and services. Now, WooCommerce is the platform that we use because that is the WordPress, the self-hosted WordPress version. But as you can see, you're not limited to just, that particular platform. You have a lot of different things that you can choose from. So, and let's see, there's also the Printify pop-up store. Now, this is kind of a new thing, and I have not used this myself, but this is basically how it works. You design a product, like we talked about before. You just take your designs and you put it on the product, and then you publish it to your Printify pop-up store. So you can get a pop-up store for free, and then you share that link to your product or to your pop-up store on your blog or your social media channels. And then once the orders start coming in, Printify is going to handle the fulfillment and customer support, and then you get to keep the profits. So it's really, this is another way that you can have a platform that you can use to sell your products, and this is free. So once you set up your Printify account, the thing that you want to do is you want to maybe test out a pop-up store. If you don't have any of these other platforms, you might want to test out a pop-up store and just see, is it something that, you can use to get started selling for free. So you set up your account for free. You can use free tools and resources to make your designs, like a free Canva account. You can use a pop-up store for free, which gives you that platform that you can use to actually start selling. So print on demand is a business model that you can get started with for free. This enables you to get started for free. And there's some other tools and resources that we will show you. Once you sign up for our newsletter, you're going to be able to get all of that behind the scenes information. So I would invite you to sign up for our newsletter so that you can start learning as much as possible about things that you can do to start earning and to expand your earnings using the print on demand platform. So there will be a link below this video that will get you over to our sign up form, and then once you sign up, we will get you right over to Printify so that you can set up your account and get started. So I appreciate your time today. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Hopefully this has been informative, and we will definitely do some additional videos on Printify so that you can learn how to use this platform to start earning money. Again, thanks for hanging out with us, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.